Okay, day reckoning has finally come. It's here. So without further ado, let's get in the door, let's get this fixed. It's time lapse time. Okay, so what I've done now is I've got the door off and I've got it re-hinged again now. So what I'm going to do now is take all the screws out down like I done the last time, leave the bottom ones in. I'll take the screws out here which will remove the lock, and then basically fit the other one in and reverse it. Simple. Okay, it's all working, but I have a slight issue here, and the issue is the fact that this is sitting out. So when I go to do that, actually, let's have a wee test first, right? Put a screw back in place. I'll do one on the bottom. Okay, now that just stops that's going to stop the beading from jumping out, right? But what I really want to check actually is, so the handles are reversible, so it's not so bad. So there it is, there is the problem right away, and the fact that I can't get the bar in, okay, because the lock has moved. Well, the lock's not moved slightly over, but the lock seats differently, slightly by a couple of mil from the other one. So I'm going to hit to burr a wee bit of my door out. Time to get the Junior rotary tool out. Right, so this is one of my favourite tools. I've got my wee device here which I'll hang it up on, so let's get it all threaded and ready. So that is just going to hang on there like that. Unflex all your coil. And although it's just going to hang in there, it's fine. I'm right beside the socket. Quick check. So I'm on the maximum speed and Gaza the Great 78. This is just for you, my friend. Now I'll set this up. I'm actually needing just to take a wee bit, I'm not going to do a lot of the door, just enough to get that spindle in and the lock in, and that's it. Trim a wee bit off because I don't want it to be, the handle will cover the mess, so I don't want to be too much that I can see something the other side. So let's see how we go. Time lapse time. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Wee bit of a worry there, but the Junior rotary tool / Dremel saved the day. So we've now got full function. That's the door locked, okay. That's now the door still locked, but now the lock part of the lock is done. And the door now opens. Door just shuts on its Jack Jones and it catches. For additional bit of security, lift up in a lock position. Once it's done that, you can lock with the key. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed it, see you in the next one. Oh, and smash that thumbs up. And also, welcome if you're new. Ta-ra.